Our new PakMyMeds program organizes your prescription medications into individual pouches. Each pouch is labeled and stored as a strip in a reusable dispenser box. We can fix your prescription mess. It is simple and convenient to keep track of your medications with PakMyMeds. Personalized pill pouches are labeled by day, date, and time to make taking your medication simple. We'll help you pick up all of your monthly medication in a single visit to the pharmacy. Easily tear off the packet for the correct date and time and take the medications inside. Take your medications with you wherever you go. Transferring your prescriptions is easy. Just give us a call and talk to one of our knowledgeable pharmacists. We'll work with your insurance provider and physicians to get all your prescriptions on the same schedule. We offer all of these innovative services at no cost to you. Simplify your life with PakMyMeds. We look forward to your visit.